This is Livy looking for her birthday decorations. Are they on the couch? Maybe look near Mariana.
No, right up here. Right up here. There.
Whose name is that?
Olivia.
Oh, is it for your birthday?
Can I have a penguin?
Yep, it's for you. Grandma Gregory made them.
Did you see up on the wall? What's up on the wall?
I don't know. Happy Olivia.
Happy birthday, Olivia.
And you see what's on your chair?
I did that. Don't unpull
It's
it.
okay. It's okay. Yay!
Here you go, baby. Here's your birthday thing.
Oh, what a nice sister.
Can you get a penguin for me? Oh. And I get the purple one? Yep.
Oh, this one, wait to open them for a little bit, girls. Grandma and Grandpa want to skate with you.
Let's look in.
You can look at it. You can look at the outside of it.